latitude of Montreal, Canada is 45.5 degrees north, and the longitude is 73.5 degrees west. The highest elevation is 223 meters, and the lowest elevation is 6 meters. Now, the elevation of Montreal, Canada doesn't really affect the climate because it is fairly average.
As mentioned earlier, we're doing Montreal, Canada. Now, Canada has relatively diverse precipitation because it's up north. And, places up north have a lot of snow and rain. So as you can see in this graph here, I can't really show you right now. Let me do this. Canada has a large sum of rain from the months of about April to November. December, January, February, and March don't have that much rain, typically because, as you see in the other graph to the right, the months from November to April have a lot of snow. Now, the graph in the right is in centimeters of snowfall, and the graph in the left is in millimeters of rainfall. So you can see that during the winter months, Canada has a large sum of snowfall. That is a lot of snow. As a matter of fact, in December and January, they average 50 centimeters of snow every month in those 2 months. Just know that.
Oh, hello. You called me during my midday shower. Old Spice? Blocks odor for 16 hours?
Bullcrap!
What? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
As far as large bodies of water that affect Montreal, Canada, there aren't very many. Now, Montreal, Canada is southeast Canada, not so far east that you're near the Atlantic Ocean, and not so far south that you're near the Great Lakes. It does have a river that flows through it, but that doesn't play a huge role in the weather. So, the answer to your question that I knew you would be asking is no. There are no large bodies of water that affect Canada's weather, in particular Montreal, Canada.
In Montreal, Canada, climate is affected by air masses, prevailing winds, and mountain ranges. The mountain ranges that affect the climate are the Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Mountains block winds from making cold fronts colder. Cold fronts are brought down from the north by prevailing winds called the westerlies, and air masses that are also cold are the maritime polar. Maritime polar is not normal around the U.S., but that's where it happens.
Köppen climate classification. Montreal, Canada, the Köppen climate classification is D. That means in summer, the highest temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, and in the winter, it's -5. Burn.
In Montreal, Canada, climate is affected by winds and mountain ranges. In Montreal, Canada,
Go. Go. The longitude. The longitude?
What the hell is longitude?
Alright, just keep going.
It's going. Oh, you want me to start over?
Yeah.
Go.
Are you filming?
Yes, now I am.
Start.
Alright.
Look at Thompson. Look at Thompson.
Ooh, that's shit.